everyone, Amanda here. I'm just here to share a little booklet that I've made for a swap over on my Scrimpy's Shabby Chic Crafts and Swap group, which is a group that I run along with my lovely friend Victoria over on Facebook, and we focus on swapping and sharing crafts of a shabby chic nature, shabby chic and vintage. I've had that group for years, years and years, and I've been doing a few swaps lately over there. I've had some extra spare time, so I thought I'd come and share this with you. Now, I do have a tutorial for this little booklet. It's I think I called it a large photo booklet or something. It's very simple, and I created it as a craft fair idea because it's super quick and easy to make, especially if you're a beginner crafter. So I leave the link to that tutorial in the description box below. This one has been done in a very shabby chic style. The original one was done with Stampin' Up papers. So if I just slide this taffeta ribbon off, which is my most favourite ribbon in the entire world, I need to get some more. So that's my little closure. I've just simply fastened that, and I'll show you the little book. So on the front here, we've got a digital image. It's a leftover from a journal that I did, and that is by Artimaze. And then here I've just got some general scrapbooking paper, and I've added some lace. And it's a very easy booklet to put together. As I say, it's very basic. I'll leave the tutorial below. Let me just zoom in. This is slightly, don't look at my desk, it's a mess. So each one basically holds a photo mat like so, and they're quite large. These are the 6 by, I can't remember what size they are. I didn't cut these, Victoria did. 6 3/4 by 4 3/4, so they're quite large for putting your photos on, and you can journal on the back what your photo is. And then also in the pocket there you can add other memorabilia and things. You know, you could have it as a little album for a certain occasion, like, I don't know, a birthday or a christening or a wedding or something. So yeah, so and I've just put little tabs on the top there. And some little sentiments there, if you can see, which I've used just miniature wording from my massive collection of stamps, and I've just put them on alternate. So it's the same all the way through. Okay, you've got 8 photo mats, 8 pockets in total. Alright, and then you've got a little, oh, that's a bit wonky, let me just pull that up and do that again. There we go, it's just on red line tape so it can be straightened. So we've just got some lace there, and then a small spine to cover over where the pages are glued together. So that is just an idea of one of the little bit swaps that we do. We've got some cheesecloth here and some layering, and one of these little tickets that I've made with the words, freebie words from Artimaze. And I just love making little things that are quick and easy to make. Everything doesn't need to be, you know, a big complicated project to use up your crafty stash and get swapping. So this will go in a swap for a lady along with a few other little handmade goodies, although it's not you know, a requirement in our swap group. But so if you want to come over and join us, feel free. If you want to have a go at this little photo mat booklet, as I say, I will leave a link in the description box below to the tutorial for it. So I hope that it gives you a little bit of inspiration. It's a lovely idea for a swap or a gift, or for craft fairs, teacher gift. We've got Christmas coming up, and it's very basic and very easy to make. You could easily step that up and add extra decoration to make it even more of a wow. But I'm done with that for today. That's finished, so I will see you again soon. Bye.